In this lesson, we will learn about network security groups. First, we learn about the functions of network security groups, then the parameters of a network security rule. Next, we learn about the rules to associate a network security group to a subnet or a network interface. After that, we learn about the virtual network service type address spaces. Then we create a new network security group. Finally, we conclude our lesson with the review questions. A network security group acts as a stateful firewall which contains a list of incoming rules which allow or deny traffic coming into the subnet or the network interface, a list of outgoing rules which allow or deny the traffic from the subnet or the network interface going out. Rules are processed in ascending priority order, which means the lower priority numbers are evaluated first. Each NSG rule contains these parameters. Priority, you can specify any number from 100 to 4096. The lower the number, the higher the priority. Source and destination, you can specify either IP CIDR blocks, servitas, or application security groups. Protocol, you can specify either TCP, UDP, ICMP, or any. Port range, you can specify single port or range of ports. Direction can be inbound or outbound. Action can be allowed or denied. Let's learn about network security group association. Here are the rules to associate network security groups to subnets and network interfaces. A network security group can be associated to many subnets and many network interfaces. However, each subnet can be associated with only one network security group, and each network interface can be associated with only one network security group. Let's create a new network security group named ITL-prod-NSG01. To do that, in the search box, we type in network security, then we select network security groups, then click create. In the resource group, we select infrastructure resource group, and in the name, we type in the name of the network security group. In this case, it is ITL-prod-NSG01. Then click next, then click review and create. And after the validation pass, we click on create. This process may take several minutes for it to complete. And when it completes, we click on go to resource. As you can see, the network security group ITL-prod-NSG01 has been created with the default security rules. Here are the default inbound security rules, and here are the default outbound security rules. Please note that you can't remove the default security rules, but you can override a default security rule by creating another security rule that has a higher priority. Then you can modify the traffic per your requirement in the new security rule. When creating a new security rule, you can specify the virtual network service task as a source or destination. The virtual network service task includes the following address spaces: all IP address ranges defined for the VNet, all connected on-premise address spaces, peer virtual networks connected to a virtual network gateway, virtual IP address of the host, address prefixes used on the user-defined routes. To create a new inbound security rule, we click on Settings, then click on Inbound Security Rules, and here we click Add. Similarly, to create a new outbound security rule, in the Settings, we click on Outbound Security Rules, then we click Add. Let's conclude our lesson with the review questions.